There's a party going on in your mouth to which you might not have been invited. We're talking about over 6 billion bacteria, including 700 different species, residing in your mouth. Some promote health, others provoke disease, which you don't want to happen. Welcome back to How to Be, and in today's episode, we're going to talk about these bad bacteria that can cause harm to you and provide you tips on how we can prevent that from happening. Before anything else, make sure to like and subscribe to How to Be so you can access more of our videos similar to this. Let's begin. Spirochete. These bacteria look a lot like eels. This group of spiral-shaped bacteria, some of which are serious pathogens for humans, causes diseases such as syphilis, yaws, Lyme disease, and relapsing fever. Examples of genre of spirochetes include Spirocheta, Treponema, Borrelia, and Leptospira. Entamoeba gingivitis. This is a type of amoeba found in your mouth. It's inside the gingival pocket, biofilm near the base of the teeth, and in periodontal pockets. Entamoeba gingivitis is found in 95% of people with gum disease and rarely in people with healthy gums. Cyst formation is not present, therefore transmission is direct from one person to another by kissing or by sharing eating utensils. Now we get why Sheldon Cooper hates sharing stuff. Here comes the white blood cells. When there's severe inflammation in the gum tissue, it elevates the white blood cell count and also the high sensitivity C-reactive protein levels. Research studies have shown that elevated levels of C-reactive proteins have been linked to heart disease. Now that we know what happens if we don't practice good oral hygiene, let's now talk about how we can prevent these bad bacteria from staying in your mouth. Tip 1. Brush your teeth not once, but twice a day. A lot of people are guilty of only brushing once a day. We'll tell you exactly why you need to brush your teeth twice. When you eat, leftover bits of food mix with the bacteria inside your mouth form plaque. The filmy, sticky substance coats your tooth enamel and gums. Although the development of plaque is a continual natural occurrence, the substance can cause a great bit of damage to your teeth. Bad breath that is not associated with a spicy taco or well-seasoned lasagna you had for dinner is often caused by volatile sulfur compounds, or VSCs. Anaerobic bacteria that reside on your tongue release these compounds regularly, giving morning breath its characteristic stale, sulfury smell. When you brush your teeth, your tongue should also get a thorough cleaning. As the oral microbes are removed, your breath becomes fresher. In addition, the sweet aroma of your toothpaste will further enhance your breath, making embarrassing moments during social encounters a little less likely. Brushing twice daily helps ensure that the microbes that may be contributing to your bad breath are removed before they build up to the point of causing your breath to be offensive. It also removes particles of food that may be stuck between your teeth. As the food remains in place, it can rot or deteriorate in your mouth, further exacerbating halitosis. Tip 2. Floss daily. So, on top of brushing your teeth, you have to floss too. Daily. Why? Flossing does about 40% of the work required to remove sticky bacteria or plaque from your teeth. Plaque generates acid, which can cause cavities, irritate the gums, and lead to gum disease. Each tooth has 5 surfaces. If you don't floss, you are leaving at least 2 of the surfaces unclean. Floss is the only thing that can really get into that space between the teeth and remove bacteria. Tip number 3. Oral irrigator. Oral irrigators were first developed in 1962 as an alternative to dental flossing. Also known as dental water jet, water pick, or dental irrigator, an oral irrigator uses a stream of pressurized, pulsating water to clean between the teeth and below the gum line. As a result, harmful deep periodontal pocket bacteria that could not otherwise be reached through brushing or flossing is flushed out and removed. Oral irrigator can reduce the overall amount of bacteria that increases your risk for developing gum disease. Remove 99% more plaque than brushing alone, especially when used in conjunction with brushing and flossing. Help control gingivitis, particularly in those who don't floss on a regular basis. Reduce the incidence of gum bleeding. Improve bad breath. So after this video, we're pretty sure a lot of you guys are pretty psyched to practice good oral hygiene. Make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can give you more videos just like this. Thank you for watching, and until our next How to Be video.